Welcome. If you're looking to declutter your Pinterest experience and stop those in-app notifications for Pinterest announcements, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to disable these notifications, so you can enjoy Pinterest without interruptions. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings we'll need. Next, head over to your profile. To do this, simply tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest page, where you can see all your pins, boards, and account details. Once you're on your profile, look towards the top of the screen and tap on your profile picture again. This will open up your account menu, where you'll find more options to customize your Pinterest experience. From here, scroll down and tap on the notifications option. This section controls all the alerts and messages you receive from Pinterest, both inside the app and via email or push notifications. Under the Others category, you'll see an option labeled Pinterest Announcements. Tap on this to view the specific settings for announcements sent by Pinterest, such as updates, new features, and important news. Now, to stop receiving these notifications inside the app, look for the In-App toggle. By default, this might be switched on, meaning you'll get pop-up announcements while using Pinterest. Simply toggle the in-app switch off. This will disable all in-app notifications for Pinterest announcements, letting you browse and pin without those extra interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully turned off in-app notifications for Pinterest announcements. If you ever change your mind, you can follow these same steps to turn them back on. Thanks for tuning in. For more tips on customizing your Pinterest and making the most out of your favorite apps, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other tutorials. Happy pinning!